So guys, welcome back to the channel, and you join us on another episode of our Defender TD5 restoration project. Now in the last episode, Kieran got the body split away from the chassis, we revealed some of the damages, and now we're at the point where we want to essentially lift all this off, repair what we need to do, and put it on a fresh frame and put it back together. So hopefully in this episode we can see a fresh frame, everything back together, all nice and clean, new gaskets, bits and bobs that are required to be done, and furthering this project. It's going to be so nice. It's always nice to see a fresh frame on the floor. It's going to be amazing because this thing is a little bit rotten, it's a little bit questionable in some areas, some previous repairs aren't quite what we want it to be. So today, we're going to be getting the chassis out, cutting it in half, getting rid of it, and getting a fresh Marsland chassis. So grab a drink, and let's roll the tape. So guys, Kieran has stripped down the chassis fully, and we are now, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. This is, everything is stripped off the frame, we've got the fuel lines off, we're leaving the bump stops and the brake lines, we're going to replace them anyway, we've got the turrets off. What else have you got off, Kieran? The steering box is off, yeah. The A-frame is off. It is literally now rolling this old chassis out. We're going to line it up with a new one, and then we are going to switch over the axles, roll it back underneath, and start building the new frame up. Don't do that. Just put it on the side, flick it down a little bit, and then pull a bit off of it. Hold, flip it on a 90 degree. That's it. A bit like that. But Kieran, do this. Yeah.
What, in front of my face?
Yes. You are such like that.
You wanted 90 degree.
Just stand there.
Wait a minute, there must be. Where there is a will, there is a way.
Yeah, send it, bro.
Kieran, if you just now pull it out and get out of his way.
So it's the next morning. Yesterday we bolted up a new rear main oil seal. We've cleaned down the engine and gearbox to the best we could. Now we're just going to get it all bolted back together and into the new chassis. That's moving that way, that's moving that way. Need a set of hands there and a set of hands there just to push it together.
Are you ready to go right now?
Yes.
Cool, let's do it. Okay guys, so that is our engine and gearbox back in our new frame. Kieran has built up, so we've got the fuel tank, the fuel lines. What else you got, Kieran? Most of it's done, isn't it, really?
Yeah,
you've got to run the brake lines, you've got to put the bump stops on.
Yeah.
Rear suspension's all assembled. Front walking stick or radius arm bushes needs to be pressed in. You need a bit more weight on the car to usually bolt them up because it's obviously unloaded at this point. But for the most part, this is the chassis already completed, shall we say, in a 90% sort of thing?
Yeah.
You've got the power steering lines run. Most of it's back together, steering box is back on, and I think you're just going to do some final touches, aren't you?
Yep.
You've still got to put on your props, etc., but you're probably going to do that when you actually put the body back. Okay guys, so we're going to wrap up the video here. I hope you've really enjoyed this build so far. Obviously we have got it now on a fresh frame, and in the next video hopefully we can actually start disassembling the bulkhead, get this thing actually completed with regards to the mechanical restoration that we're carrying out. But do let us know your comments and thoughts down below. Do give us a follow on Instagram, which is @JuiceMotors. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.